All right, class. Let's settle down. Today, we're going to learn about safety drills and why they are so important. We'll practice a fire drill today.
Fire drill? Huh. I'll give them something to drill about. You better behave. Classic caillou. Fire drills are serious. You can't mess around during them. Ooh, Big Brother Caillou is always a goody-goody. Relax. Nothing's gonna happen.
Now, as we discussed, when you hear the fire alarm, everyone will line up quietly and walk outside to the designated area. Do not panic, and do not run. Is everyone ready?
Yes, Miss Faye.
Rosie ready too.
Boring.
All right everyone. I will be back soon.
Miss Faye left the classroom. Now's my chance. I will sneak over to the fire alarm on the wall, making sure nobody sees me. Then I will pull the fire alarm so that the loud sound could make everybody go nut. This is going to be hilarious. Classic caillou. No, don't. Oops, my hand slipped.
Everyone, line up. This is an emergency. Stay calm.
You're in so much trouble now. Worth it.
Do not panic everybody, just follow along.
You think this is funny, don't you? You made the fire department come for nothing. You're going to get into a lot of trouble. Classic caillou. Who cares? They are just firefighters. It's their job to show up, isn't it? You are so irresponsible. I'm telling Dad as soon as we get home. What's he gonna do? Ground me? Oh no, I'm so scared.
Classic caillou, I'd like a word with you. The principal informed me that there was no actual fire, and it seems the fire alarm was pulled deliberately. Do you know anything about that?
Who? Me? I didn't do anything.
We have security cameras, Classic caillou.
Oh, maybe my hand slipped. Just once.
This is a very serious matter. You put everyone in danger, including yourself. I'll be calling your parents.
By deal. They're just alarms. No one was hurt.
We will see what your parents think about that. For now, head back inside with the class. We'll talk more later.
Later.
Hey, Classic caillou. How was school?
Fine. Just another boring day. Oh, it was far from boring.
What do you mean by that, caillou?
Classic caillou pulled the fire alarm today.
He did what?
Did I hear that right?
It wasn't a big deal. I just pulled it for fun. There wasn't even a real fire.
Classic caillou, that's incredibly dangerous. You can't just pull the fire alarm whenever you feel like it. That's illegal.
What if there had been a real emergency? You could have put everyone in danger. Not to mention the fire department must have been very upset.
They didn't look too mad.
That's not the point. You're grounded. Classic caillou. No TV, no video games, and no going outside to play for 2 weeks.
Ugh, that's not fair.
Now go to your room and think about what you've done.
Grounded for pulling one fire alarm? They're overreacting. You're being way too easy on him, Dad. He'll probably do it again.
1 week later.
Stay close. Classic Caillou. We're heading to the food court soon.
Wow, a food court. My favorite.
We're going to get lunch soon, and after that, you can pick something from the toy store. Maybe that will cheer you up.
Like I care about toys anymore. One more time won't hurt, right? No one will even know.
Oh no. What's happening?
I know exactly what's happening.
Everyone, outside. It's a fire alarm.
Rosie's scared.
Oops, looks like there's another fire. Weird, huh? He pulled it again. I saw him do it.
You pulled the fire alarm again? What is wrong with you? This is serious.
Boris, we need to get out of here. We'll talk about this later. Excuse me, folks, we're reviewing the security footage and it appears that your son here was the one who pulled the alarm.
I am so sorry. We will deal with him, believe me.
Classic Caillou. You're in more trouble than you've ever been in your entire life.
It was just a joke. Why is everyone so mad?
You've no idea how much trouble you're in. We are going home right now.
5 minutes later.
Do you now have any idea how embarrassing that was, Classic Caillou? You caused a panic in the mall. People thought there was a real emergency. You pulled the fire alarm again, after we grounded you the first time.
I didn't think it'd be a big deal.
Not a big deal. You wasted the firefighters' time again. You made people panic, Classic Caillou. Someone could have gotten hurt. This is completely unacceptable. Bad Classic Caillou. You scared Rosie.
I told you he would do it again. He didn't learn his lesson the first time.
Well, he's definitely going to learn his lesson now. No more toys, no more privileges, and no more freedom. You are grounded for a month this time, Classic Caillou. No exceptions.
The whole month? That's forever.
It might as well be forever because your behavior is completely out of control. This isn't funny anymore, Classic Caillou. Pulling the fire alarm isn't a prank. You're lucky you aren't getting in trouble with the law.
The next time something like this happens, you won't just be grounded. You will have to deal with the police. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I get it. Finally. Maybe now you'll stop acting like such a brat. Shut up, Caillou. You're not the boss of me.
That's enough. You are going straight to your room when we get home, and I don't want to hear another word from you.
3 days later.
Maybe one last time. Just for fun of it. How bad could it be? No one will even notice if I pull it again. Classic Caillou, what are you doing? You can't be serious. Watch me.
No. Not again. Everyone, line up quickly.
Why do you keep doing this? Classic Caillou? You're going to get into even bigger trouble. It's just an alarm, Caillou. What's the big deal?
Do not panic, everybody. Just follow along. We'll talk about this after the drill.
Classic Caillou, we've reviewed the security footage. This is the third time you've pulled the fire alarm without cause. You've disrupted the entire school, wasted valuable resources, and endangered everyone's safety. This is a serious offense, young man. Fire alarms aren't toys. You're lucky we aren't pressing charges. I didn't mean for it to go this far.
Classic Caillou, this behavior is unacceptable. You will face severe consequences, not just at home but here at school as well. I'm calling your parents immediately.
7 hours later.
3 times. Classic caillou. 3. What part of don't pull the fire alarm do you not understand?
We are at our wits' end with you. The school called, and they told us everything. You've been suspended for 2 weeks.
I told you this would happen.
Classic caillou very bad.
I didn't think it was such a big deal.
Not a big deal. You've been wasting people's time, putting others in danger, and disrupting everything around you. You're grounded for 2 months this time. No TV, no games, no friends, no fun. Nothing.
2 months?
And you're going to spend that time doing chores around the house. Maybe then you'll learn to respect other people's time and effort.
That's not fair.
It's more than fair. Consider yourself lucky you aren't facing worse consequences. Now, go to your room, and don't even think about coming out until we say so. What are we going to do with that boy?
I really don't know, Boris. I just hope this time, he really learns his lesson.
Well, if he doesn't, I bet the fire department will be waiting for him.